2, go.
Oh, you got me.
You got a little more top end than me. All right, count them off.
All right.
Go on 3 or
1, 2,
go.
3. Go. So 3's go.
Okay, just say go. All right.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, you got me.
Yeah, no wrong.
I hit the wall. You want to try this one?
No, it's not the car. It's driving.
Nice. Might be where you're standing too.
All right, guys, finally back home after Beat the Creek and a week with Jeremy from Big Squid in Kentucky at his place. Just had a little fun. It was nice to just relax for a week and not have to think about work and kits and videos and all that. So much thanks to him for having me out. And yeah, being my chauffeur because my truck is broke. I still don't know what's wrong with it. It burned all the oil up. It was spitting and sputtering when I got to his place before Beat the Creek. And it's still reading like 55 pounds of oil pressure when I crank it up. That there's nothing on the dipstick. And you saw it run, it's smoking pretty good. So it's getting oil somewhere it's not supposed to and burning it out. But either way, it's a complete teardown. Ain't no way I could make it back to Texas with it. Not another 12.5-hour drive. Yeah, just wasted a lot of money on it. But it's there, safe for now until I can figure out what to do next. And yeah, I still got my Jeep to get me to the next event, which should be Axial Fest Badlands in June. And yeah, excited for that. It's my second year there. What else? Beat the Creek was awesome. Gosh, that was huge. They said now the official number was 1,700 something. Really thought it was closer to 2,000, but it's right there. I've titled that video "The World's Largest RC Event" because they thought they had that title, but I don't know if they still do. There's something in Germany that's pretty large, but nobody's corrected me on it yet, so we'll just rock it like it is. It's pretty dang large. If it's not the largest in the world, it's probably the largest in the country. So at least it still has that title, if not the other one. But yeah, got a lot of stuff to get ready and clean up and do. I'm going to have some more information this week, which will probably be weeks long before this video comes out, about the kits. And yeah, hoping to get some more of those out. But appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate everybody that reached out, give me support to the car troubles that crossing the country. Yeah, I didn't talk about it yet because that's just happened. So the rental car I got from Hertz rental car, I was supposed to get a mid-size SUV because I had a lot of stuff to haul back, a lot of RC stuff still from the event. And they got there and they didn't have license plates for the one that they had rented me. The temp tags on it were expired. It's like, that's brilliant. So I got some little Hyundai Venue, which was a downgrade in size and not in price though. And I drove 8.5 hours, almost home, drove into a thunderstorm and I couldn't see. The wipers barely worked. They're hard as a rock. And the headlights, I couldn't tell they were on or not. And I finally got out in the middle of the storm and looked, and the headlights looked like they were on, but they weren't shining anywhere in front of me. So I drove in darkness for the last hour and a half. Luckily, it was close to home. I knew the roads. But yeah, just driving with the flashers on, going about 40 once I got off the interstate. That was a lot of fun. And I got to return it this morning. And of course, there's nobody there. So you just drop the keys in the drop box and go away so they don't have to hear your complaints. It's good customer service. Definitely not recommend renting cars to drive across the country. It was hard enough to find one that would allow me to drive it from one state to another. They were very picky about that. I guess the economy a couple years ago, they sold up a bunch of their inventory, all these rental car places, and they just keep them for local stuff. So yeah, it was a pain in the butt, but I'm alive. I made it home. I gotta shave and catch up on that too, but yeah. Stay tuned. Got a lot more videos still in the works. I've got a lot of stuff already scheduled coming out in the next coming 2 weeks. And yeah, a lot of more information about the kits. But until next time, guys, get out there and do something fun with the hobby. Get out there to events if you can, if there's any in your area. It was good seeing all you folks at Beat the Creek this year. It was really neat camping, just walking around and hanging out with people after hours, just talking shop and relaxing. So have fun, guys. I'll see y'all next time.